A monk rings the temple bell every night, but the temple burned down 300 years ago. And the monk, he is still burning. Noderabō is the ghost of a forgotten monk. In old times, temples abandoned by their followers were believed to trap the spirits of the clergy left behind. He waits at ruined shrines, still committed to his duty. He wears tattered robes, his face half burned. His hands cling to an invisible bell rope, swinging it side to side. There is no bell, just the sound of tolling in your mind. If you hear it, he's already watching you. Near Mount Noderabō, hikers say they hear bells at dusk, but there is no shrine. Some see monks standing alone, bowing at nothing. And one man followed the sound, found his own name carved into a broken prayer. If you hear a temple bell where there is no temple, don't investigate. He's not calling for prayer, he's calling for your company. If you enjoyed the video, please consider leaving a like, it helps the channel grow. And if you have any suggestions about our videos, leave them in the comments. We would be very grateful to hear your feedback.